Today I'm going to try this famous recipe, so keep watching for my honest reviews. Now it's time to give my reviews on this yummy looking delicious recipe. So of course the taste varies from person to person. So in my opinion it was really squishy and it tastes like a gummy bear. So to elaborate it, the sauce was the main key to making this recipe more delicious. But I don't know why is it going to viral, maybe it's because of the look of it. So coming to a conclusion, I can say that I didn't like it.